Dear Smarts, this is 9th class mathematics. We are in exercise 2.3. This is the sixth sum. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square minus a are divided by x plus 2, leave the same remainder. Find the value of a. Leave the same remainder means in both cases remainder is equal. In both cases, let f of x equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5 and g of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus a. F of x is divided by, if f of x is divided by x plus 2, f of minus 2 equal to the remainder. Remainder f of minus 2 equal to substitute x by minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus 5. Minus 2 whole cube minus 8. Minus 2 whole square plus 4 plus 4a plus 5. If f of x is divided by, if g of x is divided by x plus 2, remainder g of minus 2 equal to g of minus 2 equal. Substitute here minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square minus 8. Minus 2 whole cube 8 minus 8. Here minus 2 whole square plus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 8. But f of x and g of x leaves same remainders. Same remainders given. Therefore, f of x equal to g of x. What is f of x? So, f of minus 2 equal to g of minus 2. What is f of minus 2? F of minus 2 minus 8 plus 4a plus 5 equal to, what is g of minus 2? Minus 16 minus a. Here 4a minus 8 plus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 16 minus a. 4a transposing minus a to LHS, it is plus a. Minus 16 transposing minus 3 to RHS, it will be plus 3. So minus 16 plus 3, how much? Minus 13. 4a plus a, 5a. Implies a equal to minus 13 by 5. The value of a equal to minus 13 by 5. So confidentially and practice. This is the eighth sum in the exercise. Find the remainder when p of x equal to is divided by g of x 1 minus 2x and verify the result by long division. Long division. So children, how to get the verification and answer? Given f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. G of x equal to 1 minus 2x. Find the remainder when it is divided by g of x. According to the problem, according to the sum, f of x by g of x, f of x by g of x, f of x by g of x. So the remainder and verify the result. 1 minus 2x. G of x equal to, let g of x equal to 1 minus 2x equal to 0. Minus 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2. Substituting x equal to 1 by 2 in f of x. Therefore, f of 1 by 2, remainder f of 1 by 2 equal to, substituting by x equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole cube minus 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Simplify this. 1 by 2 whole cube, 1 by 2 cube 8, 6 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 square by 2 square 4 plus 14, 7 times 7 minus 3. This equal to 1 by 8 minus 6 by 4 plus 7 minus 3, 4. Take 8 LCM. 8 LCM, 1 minus 4 2 times, 2 6 are 12 plus 32. Here 1 minus 12 minus 11 or plus 32 minus 12 plus 20. 21 by 8. 21 by 8. So copy down. So I'll continue the problem. F of x, g of x. What is f of x? Here p of x, g of x. What is p of x? X cube minus 6x square plus 14x minus 3. What is g of x? 1 minus 2x. Divide a polynomial by another polynomial. So we write, when we divide, here g of x equal to 1 minus 2x. We write this minus 2x plus 1. So minus 2x plus 1, write like this. Minus 2x plus 1. Minus 2x. Here, take what is the first term in the quotient. This is a dividend divisor quotient. To get the first term in the quotient, we divide x cube by minus 2x. Minus 2x. X square by minus 2. X square by minus 2. X square minus x square by 2. Minus x square by 2. If we multiply minus 2x into minus x square by 2, plus x cube plus x cube plus into minus x square by 2, x square by 2. Subtract, cancel, minus here subtract, when we subtract minus 6x square plus x square by 2 plus x square by 2. Take LCM 2. 2 6 are 12 minus 12x square plus x square minus 11x square by 2 minus 11x square by 2. This is minus 11x square by 2 plus 14x minus 3. Now to get the quotient of second term, we divide minus 11x square by 2 by minus 2x minus 2x minus 2x. So this is equal to minus 11 by 4 x minus 11 by 4x minus 11 by 4x minus 11 by 4x. Now multiply with minus 11 by 4x these two terms. Minus 2x into minus 11 by 4x 2 times minus 9 plus 11 by 2 x square 11 by 2 x square 11 by 2 x square. Here we get minus 11 x square by 2 plus what we get plus 11x plus 11 by 4x plus 11 by 4x. So plus 11 by 4x we get minus 11 by 2 x square plus 11 by 4x minus 11 by 2 x square plus 11 by 4x plus 11 by 4x. Subtract, cancel, minus here 14x minus 11 by 4x 14x minus 11 by 4x 4 LCM 56x minus 11x. This is equal to 45 by 4x 45 by 4x 45 by 4x 45 by 4x minus 3 45 by 4x minus 3. What next? To get 45 by 4x, to get the third term in quotient 45 by 4x divided by minus 2x divided by minus 2x into minus 2x x cancel 45 by minus 8 45 by minus 8 45 by minus 8 into minus 2x into minus 2x 4 times minus 9 plus x 45 by 4x 45 by 4x here 45 by 8x minus 45 by 8x 8 minus 45 by 8 minus 45 by 8 minus 45 by 8 into 1 plus minus 45 by 8 minus 45 by 8 subtract cancel it is plus. Now minus 3 plus 45 by 8 minus 3 plus 45 by 8 take LCM 8 minus 3 8s are 24 minus 24 plus 45 by 8 minus 24 plus 45 minus 24 plus 45 121 by 8 minus 21 by 8 already this is minus 21 by 8 the remainder is minus 21 by 8. Is it the remainder equal to the P of x by G of x? Once look into this is also minus 21 by 8. These two, the long division and also the polynomial division, the remainders are equal. Confident children. This is the last term in the exercise. When a polynomial, understand the problem what is given and what is asked. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2. By x minus 2 divided by leaves remainder 2. And by x plus 2 divided by leaves remainder minus 2. Find a and b. F of x equal to let f of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax minus b. Then according to the problem, according to the sum, f of x is divided by x minus 2. F of 2 equal to 2. F of 2 equal to is most important. This is now substituting 2 by x, 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 minus b equal to 2. Listen carefully. 2 cube 8, 2 into 8 plus 2 square 4 plus 2a minus b equal to 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 12 plus 2a minus b equal to 2. 16 plus 12 28 plus 2a minus b equal to 2. 2a minus b equal to 2 minus 28. 2a minus b equal to 2 minus 28 minus 26. This is one step. Next, according to the sum, f of minus 2, f of minus 2 equal to minus 2, f of minus 2 equal to minus 2. Substituting x by 2. 2 into minus 2 whole cube 3 into minus 2 whole square plus a into minus 2 minus b equal to 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 8 minus 16 minus 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2a minus b equal to 2. Minus 16 plus 12 minus 4 minus 2a minus b equal to minus 2a minus b equal to 2 plus 4 minus 2a minus b equal to 6. This is 2. What is 1? 2a minus b. 2a minus b equal to minus 26. 1. 1 plus 2. Cancel. Minus 2b equal to minus 20. Because 6 minus 26. 2b equal to 20. b equal to 20 by 2. 10. b equal to 10. To find a, substituting b equal 10 in b equal 10 in 1 or 2 in 2. Minus 2a minus 10 equal to 6. Minus 2a equal to 6 plus 10, 16. 2a equal to implies a equal to minus 16 by 2 minus 8. a equal to minus 8. a equal to minus 8. a equal to minus 8. b equal to 10. Okay children, practice all this. I'll continue tomorrow. 8th class తర్వాత చెప్తాను.